Okay, we're going to look at section 4.2 compound interest. We're going to look at the compound interest formula first and then apply it to part A. So if you look above here, as if it says the amount of money A that a principal P will grow after T years at an interest rate of R compounded n times per year is given by the following formula. And the different values for n are listed here unless otherwise noted. Okay, so let's look at our first example. It says $3,000 is invested at 4% interest. $3,000, that would be our P, our principal. 4% would be actually our interest rate. We normally put that into decimal form, so I'm going to put that as 0.04 instead of percent form. The amount of money in the account, find the amount of money in the account after 2 years, that's T, if it's compounded semi-annually. If it's compounded semi-annually, that means N is 2. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug into the formula. So we're going to plug this formula right here. A is equal to the principal, which is 3,000. 1 plus R over N, so I'm going to take my R and divide by N. R is 0.04, divide by 2. Raised to the N times T, so I'm going to take N times T is 2 times 2. So that becomes 3,000, 1 plus 0.04 over 2 to the 4th power. Okay, now we're going to plug this into the calculator. When we do that, this is the answer that we'll actually get. But let me go ahead and show you how to plug into the calculator, just so that you know. Okay, so we have $3,000. Plug in just how it looks, parentheses, 1 plus 0.04 divide by 2 raised to the 4th power. One common mistake people make is they want to raise this to the 2 times 2. If you're going to multiply the exponents together, you do have to put parentheses around it. I just go ahead and multiply it first to make it a little bit easier. And then here's our answer. And normally we round to the nearest cent. So that concludes part A.